what is Aave? Inside the Defi lending protocol, Aave is the platform for decentralized finance, powered by blockchains. Lending, borrowing, and investing are all on the horizon. The Aave Protocol is a developer-friendly stack that enables anyone to create next-generation financial applications that are truly interoperable, efficient, and sustainable. Aave is a platform for decentralized cryptocurrency that enables users to borrow and lend digital assets to one another. Aave employs smart contracts to automate the process, with established rules on how funds are transferred, how collateral is handled, and how fees are assessed. This allows for a more streamlined and efficient system. Aave is a company that specializes in overcollateralized loans, which means that users will be required to deposit cryptocurrency at a value that is greater than the amount they desire to borrow. This prevents lenders from suffering financial losses as a result of loan defaults and enables the Aave protocol to liquidate the collateral if its value declines by an excessive amount. A native cryptocurrency token known as Aave is provided by Aave and may be exchanged on the majority of cryptocurrency exchanges or staked on the Aave platform to earn interest. Proof-of-stake blockchains, such as the one that Aave is based on, allow crypto miners to earn incentives for confirming transactions through a process known as staking. Aave's network is thus able to provide fees on its staked token that is proportional to the value of the collateral they protect. The Aave Protocol smart contracts allow users to set up automated payment schedules, in which Aave collects interest payments based on an agreed-upon rate. Users can also set up structures that require minimum amounts of collateral to be held during specific periods. Loans are automatically rolled over if they are not paid back in a valid manner and may be converted into Aave to repay the principal amount. Aave smart contracts are designed to empower users with permission tools that allow for the creation of customized finance applications for the platform. The blockchain and smart contract-centric systems used by Aave's decentralized financial system allow for a plethora of fintech applications to be created, ranging from loan and credit cards to insurance policies. Aave's smart contracts and dApps intend on providing more flexibility in terms of how much collateral a user may have on hand when borrowing, which will enable more frequent loan structures. The Aave protocol allows users to enter into loose collateralized agreements in which interest rates are less than the potential losses that come from loan defaults. These flexible terms often result in better credit scores, which increase the amount of interest a user may have to pay out. The Aave protocol is designed to allow anyone to create new financial applications that they can then deploy and use on the network. How does Aave work? Aave's core technology and method for decentralizing finance are built on the Ethereum blockchain, which contains a suite of smart contracts that offer various functions. The Aave protocol creates an open-source framework for developers to create decentralized financial applications. These applications can then interact with each other through the use of APIs to allow for data transfer and automated interaction. The Aave protocol enables users to borrow and lend digital assets through peer-to-peer transactions. As a new user, you need to choose how much collateral you want to bring with you. For example, if you wanted to borrow $1,000, you determine that $500 worth of Aave is a good value to hold in your wallet as collateral, which only leaves $500 in your wallet and will never be spent if the loan is paid back properly. You then send that Aave amount to the lender. Aave is a protocol built on Ethereum that facilitates automated crypto loan transactions. Users can put up Bitcoin in the form of collateral and borrow additional cryptocurrencies, up to a specified proportion of the value of the collateral. This ratio is referred to as the loan-to-value (LTV), and Aave places a cap on the amount that can be borrowed at 80% of the worth of the pledged collateral at the time of the loan. Aave makes use of something called smart contracts, which are computer programs that automate the process of borrowing money by calculating the terms of the loan, gathering the collateral that was deposited, and distributing the cryptocurrency that is being borrowed. Aave can function independently of the participation of a third party because its operations are governed by smart contracts. When using Aave as a lender, users can deposit cryptocurrency into the platform and earn interest, which is then distributed to them by borrowers. Aave does not directly link borrowers and lenders, rather, it provides liquidity pools into which users can deposit cryptocurrency assets, and then those liquidity pools lend out those cryptocurrency assets to borrowers. Aave also provides what are known as flash loans, which are short-term loans that have to be repaid within the same block that they were issued on the blockchain. These loans are structured to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities that present themselves within the cryptocurrency market. Aave offers access to its protocol through a desktop application that can be used to open new wallets, create dummy accounts, and perform transactions. An Aave wallet is similar to a Bitcoin account in functionality. It can be used for sending data, receiving data, and keeping track of transactions. You can also make peer-to-peer lending transactions from the desktop application. Aave sets itself apart from traditional lenders by lowering the rate of interest that is associated with lending transactions. They accomplish this through a system called smart collateral, which allows borrowers to make payments that are lower than the amount they owe, with any excess being used to cover possible losses in case of a default. Aave Lending. How does Aave work? Aave provides an automated lending service for users using their smart contracts. The system offers the ability to create loans that can be used for peer-to-peer transactions by creating a digital, collateralized trust which helps reduce borrowing costs. The Aave lending application is designed to be used with other cryptocurrencies as collateral, but can also work with traditional assets such as money or securities in a stock brokerage account. The Aave lending protocol uses the company's platform to provide users with the ability to send, receive, and distribute crypto assets. The protocol behind Aave is designed to be completely open source and can thus be used by any third party that wants to create financial applications. The system comprises several smart contracts that are programmed to automate the process of managing an agreement between lenders and borrowers. Aave Borrowing. Aave is designed so that users can send and receive money without the need for a financial institution, making it a peer-to-peer application. However, to make use of the platform, you have to have an Ethereum wallet that has some Ether tokens stored in it. Unlike centralized applications like PayPal or Venmo, Aave transactions are irreversible because they are based on smart contracts that perform transactions without third parties. Aave then distributes payments between any two parties through the platform and charges a small fee for performing the transactions. This is shared as a percentage of the interest that is taken on this payment and distributed among users. Aave also enables users to manage their digital assets to help them take advantage of arbitrage opportunities that present themselves within the cryptocurrency market. Users of the Aave platform will first need to provide crypto on the platform as collateral to be eligible to borrow cryptocurrency through the Aave platform. After the collateral has been deposited into the liquidity pools, users are eligible to receive interest on the deposits they have made. After funds have been placed, customers can explore through the supported crypto assets to borrow, and Aave will automatically determine how much they are eligible to borrow. Aave does a real-time calculation to determine the available amount, taking into account the value of the cryptocurrency that was deposited, the value of the asset itself, and the volatility of the asset. This is necessary because each crypto asset possesses its unique properties. After the user has chosen which cryptocurrency to use, they will be prompted to confirm the transaction before the cryptocurrency is sent to their associated wallet. Aave has an interest rate range of 2% to 12.5%, which is based on the risk taken by the lender. The average interest rate is currently around 5%, plus a fixed operational fee that is charged for covering the cost of running the platform. Aave does not charge a fee for borrowing cryptocurrency, nor does it charge any interest on loans made by lenders, outside of what they receive from borrowers. All borrowed funds are returned with no hidden charges, and without any contingencies or obligations being placed against the borrower. Because the value of the assets deposited always will surpass the amount of the crypto loan, any Aave loan is considered to be overcollateralized. Aave places restrictions on borrowing to protect lenders and liquidity providers against financial loss if the value of the loan collateral decreases. When compared to more consistent assets, those that are more volatile will have a lower loan-to-value ratio. There is no set period during which loans must be repaid. Nevertheless, loans must always be repaid using the same cryptocurrency that was initially borrowed. To put this another way, if a user borrows $100 worth of USDT, they will be required to repay the loan in USDT, plus interest. Aave governance and token. Aave has decentralized governance, which is managed by the equity holders of the company. The Aave Council members are elected through voting to represent the interests of investors and will be elected for 2-year terms. There is also an advisory board to assist with the development of the company's roadmap. The advisory board is comprised of prominent members from industry and academia, who provide expertise on key issues that impact the development of Aave's platform and protocol. The Aave token is an ERC-20 compliant utility token that will be used to cover the costs of using the Aave platform. The token will be used to pay for a membership, transaction fees, and any other services that are available on the platform. Aave, Aave's very own governance token, was released into circulation in October 2020. The token was released during the height of the summer's yield farming craze, which gave traders the ability to mint governance tokens by making use of a variety of protocols. Although these tokens served a legitimate purpose, governance, in practice, they were more frequently traded as financial assets whose value was determined by speculation regarding the value of a DeFi protocol. This was the case although these tokens possessed a genuine utility. The Aave reached its all-time high of $666 in May 2021, having started the year at $53. It continued to fall over the remainder of the year, bottoming out at approximately $85 in September of 2022. This token is utilized while working within the governance module of the system. Holders can vote on many issues, such as whether assets should be added to the lending markets supported by the protocol. It is possible to stake the Aave token inside of Aave's safety module, which is a massive pool of reserves that the protocol can dig into if the protocol runs into debt. When Aave is staked in this manner, the system provides returns of up to 9.1% each year, but there is a danger that the protocol will use your tokens to protect itself. This risk is made clear in the staking part of the protocol's documentation. Conclusion. To conclude, the Aave coin is an ERC-20 token that was issued by the company responsible for its development. The token's purpose is to help with payments inside the platform. It will also be used as a way to pay transaction fees at the same time. Aave has a proven track record of developing a highly functional and secure platform, having worked to help its users manage their cryptocurrency online since 2017. The team behind Aave is augmented by other notable names in the blockchain space. Aave's technology has been recognized by many who are involved in the money-related industry, further solidifying the company's worth. Aave has an extensive variety of partnerships, which further highlights the company's quality. They have agreements with a variety of major companies all over the world and have also created several partnerships with institutions like Fidelity Investments.